Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in today's video we're doing a flip through of my brand new undated landscape planner from my Darkest Star collection. So this collection features black paper backgrounds and this very nice beige pinkish color accent, and I drew a bunch of new custom illustrations specifically for this collection, some of which you can see on this cover right now, the moth, the plant accents, etc. And you're gonna see a lot more of these custom illustrations as we do the flip through. So let's get right into it. Now this is the home page, the first page that greets you in the planner. Here in the middle you can write your name, and at the bottom you have some very important links. So the first link is to sign up to my VIP club if you want to get some free monthly stickers. I highly recommend that you do that. Some freebies right to your email inbox every single month. The link in the middle is to visit my shop if you want to get some more stuff. And the last link is to contact me if you have a question or a problem. Don't hesitate, I'd love to help. Now, next here we have the index, and this can also be accessed through the top icon in the sidebar on the left. So here you have links for all of the month tabs, which you also have across the top, but you can also find them here on the left side in this navigation area. And then in the middle, you can find links for the home page, year view, templates, and the sticker page. You can also find these links in the left sidebar. And at the bottom, you have the links for the extra sections. This planner features 6 extra sections, which are currently empty. You can fill them up with whatever templates you like. From the templates that are included in this planner. There's a lot to choose from. We're going to go through them later. And you have some extra pages like lined pages and grid pages if you want to do some notes. These sections are great for note taking, but also if you want to do, maybe a fitness section or maybe a recipe sections, whatever you like. Yeah, and here, speaking of templates, we have the templates index. So we have a mix of decorated templates and outline templates. So decorated are good when you're very busy, but you still want to have a spread that's really cute. And the outline versions of these spreads are really good if you want to go all out customizing to your liking and you don't want to have any pre-decorations in your way. So we have some yearly layouts, monthly layouts, weekly, daily, and we have some extra pages which are note pages. We're going to go through them a little bit later. For right now, I want to showcase to you the navigation of this planner. So we're going to move on right now. Now this is the sticker page. It's an empty page where you can paste some of your favorite stickers. Here I already pasted some stickers, as you can see, some numbers. From the free stickers that come with this planner, I have prepared some free stickers that will come with the planner when you purchase, and I'm going to show them to you right now. Oh, this is actually not the first page. Let's scroll. Right, I think this is the first page. We have 6 pages, no less than 6 pages, like hundreds of stickers in this free bonus pack that comes with the planner. The first page here has some sticky notes, and here we have some, flags, banners, dots, and speech bubbles. As you can see, all of this is matching the planner with the colors, the textures, and the decorations, so they are perfect to use with this planner. Here we have some decorative stars and lines. The lines are very good to use to underline anything that's important while staying very stylish and completely on point with the theme of the planner. And here we have some icons, boxes, arrows, months, some bill-due stickers, always very important. And the last page here, we have some dates, weekdays, years, months, etc. This is very useful because the planner is undated, so you can use this to very quickly date your planner, and the fonts and colors that are used will match the planner, so it's kind of perfect. Right, let's go back here. All right, here, so moving on, I'm going to show you the tabs for each month. So let's tap here on January. Now this is the first tab that you're greeted with. Each one of these tabs has custom illustrations that's unique for every single tab. So if we go here to February, March. Each one of them is a unique illustrations. And I don't know if you noticed, but these are themed after astrological signs. So here for March, for example, we have Pisces, and then April here, Aries, Taurus, Gemini. For each of the months, we have the astrological sign that corresponds. And each one of them was End Drawn with Love by yours truly. It took forever, but I do think it was worth it because it turned out quite lovely, if I do say so myself. I think the effort was worth it. And here we have the last one, Sagittarius for December, which actually might be my favorite. I really like this one, very dynamic. Right, so from the tab, if you swipe one, you are at the main monthly view. And here you can see at the top, it's Monday. It starts with Monday, but the planner does also come with a Sunday start. So you will have in your bundle 2 PDFs. One is the Monday start, one is the Sunday start. You can use whichever you prefer. For this flip through, I'm demonstrating with the Monday start version of the planner, but do be aware that there is also a Sunday start if that is what you prefer. And I don't know if you notice also in the top where there are the little stars, on the right side, there is a constellation. That is the constellation for the astrological sign of this month. And every single one of them is different. This is the constellation for Sagittarius for December. I really like, little details like that. It's the little details that make it all come together. So right, all right, and then you have in the middle the week flags, so you can see W1, W2, week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. These are hyperlinked. So if you tap, for instance, on week 2, you go to the weekly view for week 2. This layout is a vertical week layout, and if you tap on the calendar here on the left side, this brings you back to the month view. So this is how the navigation works in this planner. There is also the year view that I must show you. This is accessible from the sidebar on the left. And here, as you can see, all the months are empty because this is an undated planner. So you can use the numbers from the sticker kit to quickly number these. And then each one of these calendars is hyperlinked. So let's go to March. Right, this brings you to the month view, and from there you can go to a week, back to the month. So as you can see, this navigation is very instinctive and it's very easy to use. And here you can see in the top right that the constellation is different from the one that we were seeing before in December. This is the Pisces constellation for March. All right, next I'm going to show you the tabs for the extra section. So let's go to section number 1. I have made custom illustrations for these as well, and these look a little bit different because they're on a black background and they look very mystical. So here we have a little moth design for the first section, second section, third with the little meditating hands, the fans, the eye for 5, and lastly for 6 we have some dream catcher design. So right, this is all for the navigation. So the last thing I have to show you are the templates. So let's go back to the template index, and we're going to start with the first one, the decorated future log for the yearly layouts, and then we're going to swipe through them so I can show you every single thing that's included with this planner. This is a yearly future log, very nice to include any big picture events that you have coming up in your year, any trips, birthdays, things like that. We have a vision board. This is a yearly habit tracker. And here you have the monthly layout. It's the same main monthly layout that's used throughout the planner, but this is an outline version. So if you didn't like the decoration or you want to do your own, you can use this page here that doesn't have anything in your way. We have the monthly habit tracker. And this is a month on one page layout with an empty section here on the right side to put anything that you would like. And this is an outline version of the same layout. And here we have an alternate weekly layout. I really like this sort of layout. It's my very favorite. I know that the vertical layout is very popular, which is why we're using it as our main in this planner. But this weekly layout is also really cool to use. So if you want to do that, go right ahead. This is a week on one page with a journal page on the right side. And the same, but with a big to-do list. And here, the week on one page with an empty. That's great for journaling, for putting photos or anything like that. Here we have a weekly habit tracker. And this is the main weekly layout, but this is the outline versions without any decorations or words. An outline version of the alternate weekly layout, outline version of the alternate week on one page layout. So the 1, 2, 3, these are the same layouts, but without the decorations. And then we have the daily layouts. This is the decorated journal daily layout. So as you can see, there's a lot of boxes for many different things: meals, gratitude, appointments, notes, water intake, top 3 priorities. I really like this layout. It's very, very complete and already decorated and cute. So you just have to pop in your information and you're all good to go. You could have your spread ready in 5 minutes. That's what I love about these. And here we have the same, but completely undecorated, just the outline if you want to do your own thing. And then we have the daily schedule layout. This starts here at 4 a.m. It ends at midnight, and it's in increments of 15 minutes. So you have plenty of space for all of your appointments. Now, I know that this gets a little bit small like this, but you remember you can zoom in as much as you want to be able to write clearly and to read clearly all of your appointments. And this is an outline version of the same thing. And lastly, we have our extra pages, our note pages. So this is the decorated lined template, the Cornell template, grid, dot grid, empty, and the plain note pages. So plain lined template, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and empty. And I think that's it. Yeah, right. We're back to the gear view here. So we are done with the templates. That's everything that's included with the planner. As you can see, there's quite a bit. And we're going to go back here right to the cover. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this planner. If you did, I will put a link in the description to my shop where you can get this planner for yourself. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.